Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Harida. Here we talk about national difference in political economy. What is a political economy? The political economy of a nation refers to how the political, economic, and legal system of a country are interdependent. They interact and influence each other. They affect the level of economic well-being in a nation. What is a political system? Political system refers to the system of government in a nation. Assessed according to the degree to which the country emphasizes collectivism as opposed to individualism, the degree to which the country is democratic or totalitarian. How does modern day social look? In early 20th century, socialism split into one, communism. Socialism can only be achieved through violent revolution and totalitarian dictatorship. Second, social democrats. Socialism is achieved through democratic means, retreating as many countries move toward free market economies. State-owned enterprises have been privatized. What is individualism? Individualism refers to philosophy that an individual should have freedom in his own economic and political pursuit. Individual economic and political freedom are the ground rules on which a society should be based, implies democratic political system and free market economies. What is democracy? Democracy refers to a political system in which government is by the people, exercised either directly or through elected representatives, usually associated with individualism. Pure democracy is based on the belief that citizens should have directly involved in decision-making. Most modern democratic states practice representative democracy, where citizens periodically elect individuals to represent them. What is totalitarianism? Totalitarianism is a form of government in which one person or political party exercise absolute control over all spheres of human life and prohibit opposing political parties. 1. Communist totalitarianism, found in states where the Communist Party monopolized power. 2. Theocratic totalitarianism, found in states where political power is monopolized by a party, group, or individual that governs according to religious principles. 3. Tribal totalitarianism, found in states where a political party that represents the interests of a particular tribe monopolizes power. 4. Right-wing totalitarianism permits some individual economic freedom but restricts individual political freedom. What is an economic system? There are three types of economic system. 1. Market economies. All productive activities are privately owned and production is determined by the interaction of supply and demand. Government encourages free and fair competition between private producers. 2. Common economies. Government plans the goods and services that a country produces, the quantity that is produced, and the price at which they are sold. All businesses are state-owned, and governments allocate research for the good of society. Because there is a little intense incentive to control costs and be efficient, common economies tend to stagnate. 3. Mixed economies. Certain sectors of the economy are left to private ownership and free market mechanism, while other sectors have significant state ownership